Implementation research plays part in linking gap between efficacious intervention and health problems. It does so by providing solutions to implementation problems which make it difficult to deliver efficacious interventions, particularly in healthcare systems in the rural areas. I had an opportunity to visit 6 villages in Iponya Ward in Tanzania. Iponya Ward has 6 villages named Iponya Village itself, Bolohe Village, Nyashimba Village, Sango Village, Busambiro Village, and Bunyihona Village. All these villages depend on one medical center which is formed in Iponya Village for treatment. Iponya has a total population of 13,417 people with 6,665 male and 6,752 females, with an area of 165 kilometers square. The villagers are obliged to travel a distance of more than 5 kilometers with poor infrastructures to get to the medical center for treatment. I had an opportunity to speak with the Ward Executive Officer, Mr. Dunia Kweleka, and other villages concerning healthcare challenges in this area. He outlined that malaria is a very big challenge in this area, and the main problem is poor access to medicine. He added that the medical center available has insufficient medicine, and to the extent that villagers are obliged to travel a distance of 12.9 kilometers to another ward so that they can get access to medicine, Altemether lumefantrine.